Hello, welcome to the shop. In today's quick tip video, we're just going to run through how to change out the sanding pad on your Festool sander. The old pad had separated, so I replaced it with a new pad. I'll be replacing the sanding pad on my Festool ETS 125 EQ. I was sanding with it the other day and it just shredded apart. I think this is a result of using it to wet sand something in the past. It just made the foam brittle and caused it to come apart. So we're gonna just replace it. I ordered a new one on Amazon, so we'll just get into it. Remove the plug, get that out of our way. Has a star head machine screw holding it in place. I've never taken this off, so it may give me a little bit of trouble. So we'll see how it goes. The new pad does come with replacement hardware. So there is, in the box, it comes with the new pad. I got a medium hardness pad, and it comes with 4 new bolts that look like they have some like Loctite sort of material on them to help them to stay locked into the router. So we will take the old one off, replace the hardware, put the new one on, and should be good to go. Now that we've got the 4 screws removed, the base plate should come off. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever done this, so it seems to be a little sticky. So I don't want to break anything in this process. There we go. We've removed the old sanding disc by removing the 4 machine screws. They do have a star head bolt, star head screw on them. So now that we've got the old one off, we're going to slide the old hardware out of the way since it provided us with new hardware. There are tabs on the inside of this and corresponding holes on the rotating mechanism. While we're in here though, I think we're going to clean this out so that we got it as fresh as possible. Now that we have the old pad removed, we can just give this a quick cleaning. I'm going to scrub it with a toothbrush. Never been used before toothbrush. Just to try to get some of this gunk out of here. Now that the old pad is removed, we can attach the new pad. There's some tabs on the pad itself. Here, there's 4 of them that align to the 4 holes between each of the screw holes. So we just got to get that lined up, and then we can attach the screws and this repair will be complete. I say repair, if you ever wanted to just switch between, a soft pad and a hard pad, you would just follow the same technique. I just happen to have needed to replace this, so that's why I'm calling it a repair. Once I've got these in sort of hand tight, I will come back with the screwdriver handle on this and tighten them all up so that it's secure and we can continue using this as a sander. There it is.